Okay, so today we're looking at a camera that we did reviews of a fair while ago, and they really haven't updated this camera in years. It's actually the Akaso V50 Pro. So the V50 is sort of kind of their like flagship, or at least was their flagship. Akaso now has, of course, the Brave 8 out right now, which I think is probably a little more on the modern-y side. But they now have the V50 Pro, which comes in this special edition. So you'll see here on their website, special edition, or you can get the special edition with a t-shirt. With a t-shirt, looks like you're coming in about 140 bucks. The AKAKA special comes in at 120. Now, I don't know if there's much of a difference from the previous versions of the Akaso V50 Pro, but we're going to take a look today. Today, we're going to actually just unbox this. This is just an unboxing of the new special edition, and then in a future video, we're going to take this camera out and we'll see how it performs. Okay, so here we go. 2-inch touchscreen IPS. Yeah, it does shoot up to 4K 30. You do get 1080p 60 and 720p 120 if you want super image stabilization, 170 degrees. It can do 30 meters or 100 feet underwater with the external case. It has external microphone input, which I'm still not 100% sure if it needs an Akaso mic. I believe most of the Akaso cameras require an Akaso mic. It does say the V50 Pro Special Edition has a brand new package design. Cool. And it does say it comes with an AKAS, and well, again they say AKAKA. I don't know why it's called. It does say AKAKA up here. AKAKA. Maybe that's with AKAKA. I don't know what that is. AKAKA Figurine. All right. Every Akaso action camera helps plant a tree. Cool. All right. This is it. This is the Akaso V50 Pro Special Edition. All right. So green box. That's kind of all. And then you just kind of crack this open here. I'm guessing. Well, yes and no. This looks like it just has a pull tab here. So maybe we can just do this. There we go. That's probably easier. Ooh, does this fold out all fancy? Maybe? There we are. You guys can see that. That's nice. So again, they do have a t-shirt version if that's something that is of interest to you. So summertime, good times. Yep. So here's the camera. So they got it all packaged in here nice. A little harder to get it all out. Summer mode, check. Summer mode, check. Does this? Okay, yeah, so this is it's a lovely packaging, I'll give it that. So this is the action cam here. Little quick start guide. Yep, cool. Put that back in there, because, hey, gotta love good packaging. Anything else? No, nothing else there, but we will take that out, because it makes it easier. Is this a figurine? It says the AKAKA, maybe it's this fella. Well, let's take it out. Maybe I'm curious now. Curious what this guy looks like. This is what I'm curious, because this is the reason you're getting this, right? Oh, it is. He's cool, and it comes with a little I don't know, like a little fishing net thing. I'm not sure how that works. Does that go in here? Does it go in his hand? Somehow? I don't know, but you guys, there he is, right? There's the little figurine guy with his little net, with his camera head. Yep. I'm not 100% sure how this thing goes on here. I'm putting it on his lens. It's a lens cover. Is it a lens cover? No, it's not that either. I'd have to figure out, but he's only got one good shoe, but it's like the Earth shoe. Here you go, right there. All right, that's handy. You see him right there. He's maybe he just put it on the ground. Maybe he's just sitting there like that. Got his fishing net out. You know. It's good quality though. So that's the AKAKA. Okay, that's cool. Put all this stuff down here. And then you get the V50 Pro Special Edition. And there's the actual box right there, right? It's the app. Yep. And again, I don't think the physical camera has changed much at all. If any of you guys out there, out in the camera world, have used this camera, is there anything special that I have to do to open it? I don't think so. It's glued on there nicely. I don't see a... Oh, maybe it's one of these open from the bottom. Maybe it's an open from the bottom. That could be better. Yeah, open from the bottom, just so you guys know. So, pull it out. It is kind of more of that older style, right, that they used before. With it kind of feels like the old GoPro style. Shows you how to get this out here. So nice and easy. You just kind of... I say nice and easy, then I won't be able to do it. So you pull this piece out, and then this should just slide, I think. I think this should just slide. Pull it out. I'm with you. Give the mount buckle a hard pull. Pull backwards. Yeah, so. And this, and I'll be completely honest with you, for those that have watched the channel before, I hurt my hand, and it still hurt a little bit. So because of that, this can be a little hard for me, because I can't use the two hands properly, you know. So that when you don't have access to your second hand, that's when you notice things like this. So maybe I'll have to take that camera off after, because still hurts. Please remove this. Yep, you got all that. And just like all Akaso gear, and this is what I like about the Akaso gear for sure. I wish I could get that off right now. That didn't sound right. You know what I'm saying. You get some zip ties, cleaning cloth, you get little Velcro mounts, you get the back plate for the camera, you get your little remote trigger, and you get more mounts than anyone deserves to get in a kit. Like if you have this and you're like, nope, the mount I want isn't there, I'd be surprised. Plus you get your little naked housing with the GoPro mount, 2 batteries, which is excellent. You get a little tightening wrench. Oh, I love that they give you a tightening wrench. That's awesome, because these are trying to get that tightened up. You are now, are you still running? Oh, there is a little bit of a change though, because that looks like USB-C. That looks like a USB-C cable. And then there's for your, that'll go with, whoops, that'll go with this. So you have a wrist, and again, there's 2 batteries, right? And you get, of course, the camera. I'm gonna try to get this. I'm gonna try to get this off. Let's see if I can do this. I did it the simple way where I just unscrewed it, so that's cool. Anyways, this is the camera here. You guys will be able to see it in its case. It does feel nicer for some reason. Maybe it's just one of those. I think it feels nicer, but that's it. Yeah, USB-C. I'm pretty sure the original one I had was micro USB. So it definitely feels newer, and it's definitely smaller. Like I don't remember it being that small. All right, guys. Well, that's it. USB. It has the microphone jack, USB-C, SD card, tripod, battery, and that's your first look at it. I'm going to take this out in a future video. We're going to do some testing with it, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe down below. Hit the bell so you know when we post that video. All right, guys, this is the V50 Pro Special Edition with this fella, this little guy. He's cool. I like him. AKAKA. Yeah. All right. Links to Akaso's website, and we'll see you guys next video. Later, my friends.